सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
A great nationalist, a man who lives by the values of the Bharatiya civilization, a man with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a man who has released India from the shackles of one party and one family, a man who has made it his mission to uplift the lives of the poor and downtrodden, a man who is nothing less than an Avatar Purush. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the man who is shaping India's destiny as a world power, was born on September 17, 1950. Rising from being a chaiwala to the nation's chowkidar, PM Modi's life journey is a life lesson for all of us. Born in a low-income family in Vadnanagar, Gujarat, PM Modi in his childhood days helped his father in selling tea at the Vadnanagar railway station and later ran a tea stall with his brother near a bus terminus. He left home at the early age of 17 to travel across India for 2 years to understand the vivid culture and diversity of the nation. Narendra Modi entered public life in 1971 when he joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). RSS imbibed the spirit of selflessness, social responsibility, dedication and nationalism in him. Very few people know that when the emergency was imposed by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi across the nation in 1975, Modi disguised himself as a Sikh to avoid arrest and acted as a great mediator between the top leaders. He helped provide support to the families of those arrested and played a key role in printing and dissemination of banned literature against the government and emergency in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. This period of 19 months helped him to grow his stature as a determined leader. In 1987, Modi entered mainstream politics by joining BJP. His rise in the BJP was nothing less than exemplary. He became the secretary of the party's Gujarat unit in 1987 and later became the BJP National Secretary in 1995. He became the party's National General Secretary in 1998. PM Modi was one of the chief architects of the Ram Rath Yatra in 1992 and instrumental in the Ram Janmabhoomi movement spearheaded by L.K. Advani. At the peak of militancy in 1992, Narendra Modi defied terrorists and unfurled the tricolour at Lal Chowk, Srinagar, and sent a clear-cut message that Kashmir was an integral part of the Republic of India. In October 2001, he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat, which proved to be the watershed point of his political career. Since then, he became the face of the BJP in Gujarat. CM Modi was lauded for turning Gujarat into an investment hub and nurturing a business-friendly environment in the state. Due to the brilliant success of Gujarat's model, CM Modi registered back-to-back victory in 2002, 2007 and 2012. The entry of CM Modi in the national stage as the Prime Minister candidate for the 2014 Lok Sabha elections changed the political course of the nation. Though he was new to the national politics, his sheer willpower and connect with the common man triggered a huge Modi wave across the nation. He marked a landslide victory with the BJP storming to power for the first time with majority of its own in 2014. He had truly proved that electoral success can surpass the equations of caste, creed, religion or region. His rise to power brought a new vigor to Indian democracy. PM Modi has been working to make India stronger in every field. With his Atmanirbhar mission, PM Modi has cleared that India will not remain lesser to any developed country and will become self-reliant in each and every sector. His term as Prime Minister has seen many landmark decisions like the banning of Triple Talaq, which made Muslim women to break away from their shackles and empowered them, the abrogation of Article 370, which has integrated Jammu and Kashmir with India in letter and spirit. Ram Mandir has become a reality with a peaceful resolution to the dispute. Not just that, India has become more confident in dealing with its problem, be it internal or external. India gave a befitting reply to the terrorism emanating from Pakistan soil by conducting 2 major surgical strikes across the LOC. India stood up to the expansionist China by not ceding even an inch of the land. Owing to his leadership, many countries across the world, including Russia and UAE, have awarded him the highest civilian awards of their country. PM Modi fulfilled Sardar Patel's dream of a united India by scrapping Article 370. After years of nepotism and dynastic rule, India finally has a true son of the soil as its head. India is fortunate to be led by a leader like PM Modi, who is working untiringly for the nation with all his heart and soul. PM Modi is an inspiration to every Indian. Happy birthday, Prime Minister Modi.